worry about you, I'ma be me, I'ma go hard, I ain't getting no sleep. You gotta love me, I don't put it on God, I put it on me, I put it on me, pretty little gangster.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, and this is OG Sayo, and today we're going to be doing lip swatches, different lipstick for dark skin women of color, brown skin girls. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into this video. But before that, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thumbs up, comment.
I don't put it on God, I put it on me, I put it on me, killing this shit on the reg, I put it on me, I'm really OG.
Lip shade we're going to be trying today is something I want to start from the brightest to the to the nude, like bright color all the way to the nude. So the first one I'm going to be trying purple shade. So we're going to line our lips first. So this is the first shade, and trust me guys, purple looks beautiful on women of color, dark skin. It looks cute. Like, how do I look? Lipstick I got to recent, and this is how it looks like. So I'm going to be mixing this with this lip liner. It is a wine kind of lip liner, so I'm going to be trying that. What do you think about this color? So the next shade I'm going to be using is this classic. So this is how it looks, and we're going to apply this with a purple, the same wine lip liner I used before. So this is how this looks, and this is in the shade Sweet Honey, and it's really beautiful for dark skin. It's like, I don't even know, it's so perfect. Like, it's so perfect. Like, damn. So the next shade I'm going to be trying is red. So I'm going to go in with my red lip pencil. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? I think it's cute. Go in next with this pink lipstick. I already lined my lips, purple lip liner, so I'm going in this pink right here. This is giving me like an homeboy type of lip, you know, lip combination, and it's really cute. I love this. This is nice. This is no. This is lit. This is lit. This is sweet, guys. So the next lip color we're going to go into is this Huda nude, and I'm going to be lining my lips with this brown lip pencil. So let's get into it. Nude. Now this is a very scary nude, and people of dark skin don't usually wear it, but when you have lip liner, that's what they're used for. So let's see how this looks. Giving me this full lips vibe. That is what I like about this lip color. It's actually really cute. For this lip color, I'm going to go ahead and take my lip gloss. This is absolute lip gloss, and apply it on it. So now, what do you guys think about this? This is cute. Like, this lip gloss makes everything better. Oh please, who this? Who this? Who? So next, I'm going to go with this brown color, and then we're going to line our lips with this wine color because they're almost the same. Like, they're almost the same. Can you see? Can you see? So let's go into it. So guys, this is giving me one of the brownish, side. So what do you guys think about this color? I always like the chocolatey lipstick. I feel like they match my skin better because they're cute. What you think? So guys, I think we can actually leave lip gloss on any of the lip shade that we using. So let me try lip gloss on this one. Talk to me nice or you don't talk to me at all. Talk to me nice or you don't talk to me at all. Yeah, excuse me. But that's the end of the video, guys. And like I said, you can apply lip gloss to all the shade I've done here today, and it will be popping like damn. So please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.